Welcome back, my dear friends. I hope that you all are fine and doing good. In the previous lecture, we solved question number third, and today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 8.1. Name of the chapter is obviously quadrilaterals. Before starting the lecture, my request to new viewers or those who haven't subscribed this channel yet is to subscribe this channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So let us start this lecture.
The question is, show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. We have a square here ABCD in which diagonals intersect each other at O. Now, actually there are three parts in this question. Firstly, we have to show that its diagonals are equal. In the second part, we have to show that its diagonals bisect each other, and in the third part we have to show that its diagonals bisect each other at right angles. First of all, I will write what is given. So we have a square. Its name is ABCD, square ABCD, in which diagonals intersect each other at O. In which diagonals intersect each other at O. It is given. Each other at O. Now in the first part, I need to prove that its diagonals are equal. For that, what I will do, I will simply show that triangle BAD and triangle ABC are congruent. When they are congruent, by CPCT, I can easily prove that AC is equal to DB. So, in the solution in the first part, I will write in triangle, first one is ABC and other triangle BAD. In these two triangles, first point, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because we know that sides of a square are equal. These are the sides of a square. That is why they are equal. First point. Second point, angle DAB will be equal to angle CBA, each 90. Because we know that measure of each angle of a square is 90 degree. That means these two angles are 90 degree each. Third point, AB is equal to AB. Now AB is a common side of both of these triangles. So therefore triangle ABC is obviously congruent to triangle BAD. By using which criteria? You can check it out here, side, angle and side. So using SAS congruency rule or criteria. And they are congruent, which implies obviously AC will be equal to BD by CPCT. That means we know that when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So first part has been proved. That means diagonals of a square are equal. Now in the second part, we need to show that its diagonals bisect each other. In other words, you have the diagram here. We need to show that DO is equal to BO and AO is equal to CO. For that, what I will do, I will show that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Now how? Obviously, ABCD is a square and every square is a parallelogram. That means opposite sides of a square are also parallel. Now check it out here. AB and BC are parallel. AD and BC are parallel. And AC is transversal. So, which implies angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because they are alternate interior angles. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC and BD is transversal. It means that angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Okay, so second part, first of all, I will write that since every square is a parallelogram, therefore ABCD is also a parallelogram. When it is a parallelogram, which implies AD is parallel to BC and AC will act as transversal. AC is transversal. Transversal. So in that case, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, name it equation first. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That means AD is parallel to BC and AC is BD is also transversal, and again they are alternate interior angles and they must be equal. You can name it equation second. Now in these two triangles, now in triangle AOD and triangle COB, in these two triangles, first point, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 using first. We have already proved it in the equation first that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Number second point, in these two triangles, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because sides of a square are equal. So it is the second point. Number third point is here, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Again, using equation second. We have already proved it above that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So in these two triangles, by angle side angle criteria, we proved that the two triangles are congruent. So we can write therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB using angle side angle congruency rule. When they are congruent, which implies that AO is equal to CO, and number second point, BO is equal to DO by CPCT, because we know that when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts must be equal. So when AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, that means that the diagonals bisect each other. Now in the third part, we need to prove that diagonals of the square bisect each other at right angles. In other words, I need to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and measure of all these angles is 90 degree each. For that, what I will do, I can take any two adjacent triangles like these two triangles, that means triangle BOA and triangle DOA. I can show them as congruent. Then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 by CPCT, but angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180. You know about LPA, linear pair axiom. That means on a straight line, the sum of the angles of any two angles is obviously 180. So in that way, I can prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So in that case, in triangle BOA and triangle DOA, in these two triangles, first point is that DO is equal to BO. We have proved it already that diagonals of this square bisect each other. So first point is BO is equal to DO. PA means proved above. Number second point, OA is equal to OA. It is the common side, common in both the triangles. And number third point, AB is equal to AD. Again, sides of a square are equal. Sides of a square. So by SSS congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. So triangle BOA will be congruent to triangle DOA using SSS congruency rule. SSS congruency rule. When they are congruent, which implies angle 1 must be equal to angle 2 by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, but DOB is a straight line. That means angle 1 plus angle 2, their sum must be equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angles. Now we have proved above that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 180, which implies 2 times angle 1 will be equal to 180. You can cancel 2 9 or 18, 2 0 or so, which implies angle 1 is equal to 90. When angle 1 is equal to 90, which implies angle 2 is equal to 92. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90. Is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90. So in the first part, we proved that diagonals of a square are equal. In the second part, we proved that diagonals of a square bisect each other. And in this part, we proved that diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angles. So at the end of this solution, we can write thus: diagonals of a square diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now this is the property of a square, each other at right angles. In this way, we can solve this question. I hope that you will like this video a lot, and your comments are always welcome. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.